TikTok is a social media and short-form online video platform owned by Chinese internet company ByteDance and has become one of the most popular social media platforms since its launch. Due to privacy fears or other reasons, you may want to say goodbye to the app for good. In today's video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of deleting your TikTok account permanently. So, let's dive in and get started. Launch your TikTok app on your phone. Head to the profile at the bottom right. Next, tap on the menu button at the top right. Choose Settings and Privacy. Go to the Account section on this page and click on the Manage Account. And you will see the Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on it. Next, you will see two options: Deactivate Account and Delete Account Permanently. Choose Delete Account Permanently. TikTok will ask you to choose a reason to leave. You can click Skip on the top right corner or choose one reason. Next, you will get an option to download your TikTok data and then continue the step. Then, it will tell you what will happen once you delete your account. It says that your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to the public. After 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. Tap on Continue, and it will ask you to enter the code which sent to your email address to confirm the deletion. Some users will be asked to enter the password to confirm. It depends on the way you signed up on TikTok. After entering the code or password, your account will be deleted and you will be logged out of TikTok. If you change your mind to delete your TikTok account, you can log into your account within 30 days to get it back. That's all about this video. If you think it's useful, please don't forget to like and share. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips in the future.